Guys, so we have so much rain here. You guys may not be able to see, but we're having a lot of rain here right now, and it's quite wet. I was gonna do this video later, but now I just thought about doing it right now. So because the rain right now is pretty good, well, kinda heavy too. I was gonna go down and take it, but so I just wanted to show you guys this rain because lots of people think I'm lying that it's not raining here, and now you guys have proof that it's actually raining.